People have come forward in supporting the battle against COVID. They have supported in many ways, directly, indirectly. All of their efforts are much appreciated. My special appreciation are for those who have volunteered, come forward, risking their lives to support the COVID patients. Even though we have the resources in place, it's less and falling short because the number of COVID cases are increasing. Definitely, we need to build more on our resources and strengthen it. Therefore, I plead and humbly urge those individuals who have yet not come forward in supporting the team that is fighting the battle of COVID. So please come forward, give your contribution. Monetary, non-monetary does not matter. Support the team and strengthen the team who is fighting the battle against COVID. 100% strong team means direct win over COVID. This is what exactly we want. In fact, this is the only thing we want because me, you, and everyone want to breathe and want to live. I have made this video with an intention to motivate as many people as I can to come forward and support the battle against COVID. So please do come forward and give your contribution. Having said that, I have played my part too. I have given a small contribution to our local charity organization known as Nammal Yuvajana Kootaima, which is based in my location in Puthangav in Kerala in India. You can find the details in Facebook, but it is in Malayalam language. Some people have given their contribution and donation to this charity organization, which this organization has used in supporting those people who needed it to pay their hospital bills, medical bills, school bills, and for necessary house repairs. Besides this voluntary organization has done several other works for the welfare of the people. If you want to know more details, you can write a comment under this video in the comment section. Give your phone number. One member from Nammal Yuvajana Kootaima charity organization will get back to you. And any contribution you make, you will get a receipt in turn like the one that I have received. Let me show you. This receipt is in Malayalam. The Nammal Yuvajana Kootaima team will receive your donation with open heart. Any contribution, big or small, will really matter for those who really need them. Little or tiniest of your contribution can make a huge difference in somebody else's life. You can be the medium or turning point for somebody else's life. The cry of those who are affected are rolling down as tears from your eyes too. The sorrow of those who are affected are passing down as pains from your hearts too. So my dear viewers, come forward, do your part, make someone's day and make difference in someone else's life. Thank you, take care, stay safe, bye-bye.